Bring the family, bring the PS5. Bring both. This RV will let you do it. Welcome to the Keystone Cougar 360 MBI, 39 feet 3 inches, 12,385 pounds dry of a gorgeous mid-bunk fifth wheel, perfect for the family that needs a great living area with opposing slides, island kitchen, mid-bunk that doubles as extra sleeping space or office space, plus large bathroom and large primary suite. Now, the rear of the 360 MBI is your living area. That's why I think with this floor plan, they kind of combined some really good features. So in the rear, you got opposing slides, opening up the space, giving you an island kitchen, dream dinette, sleeper sofa that'll allow you to get some extra people, and a hidden pantry behind your entertainment center. Now, along the rear wall, calling cards of Keystone. And for 2025, they did upgrade a couple of things like the snap-on battens, the crown molding. That's a nice feature. But new for this year is the Furion Chill Cube AC. That is an 18,000 BTU AC that doesn't pull as many starting amps as a regular 15K. So this unit is actually wired for 3 ACs, 2 in it right now, but the max vent fan here in the kitchen area is also wired for your third. But along the rear wall, giant panoramic windows with side skirting, wood balances, and take a look at my storage. Everything you're gonna find back here is on the gas strut arm with the frosted glass inlay. And your lights are even recessed this year. That allowed Keystone to also put some brighter LED lights in here. So you'll probably notice how nice it is inside this 360 MBI. Your sofa back here does have a hide-a-bed, so you can put 2 additional people there. But it's pillow top, it's comfortable. You'll notice that you have this kind of wood grain on both of your end tables, plus cubby space and 110 outlets on both sides. Now, on the off-camp side, in my super slide is where I have my entertainment center, and you'll notice this big, giant Vizio TV. It is a smart TV, which is pretty nice, plus it's on the swivel arm. I got my 40-inch InnoFlame fireplace, which is about 5,000 BTUs of heat, multi-flame, multi-light setting, but I like what they did this year. A lot of coaches that do have the hidden pantry space, they'll have the hook or they'll have, something or magnet. These guys actually gave you a pull lever, which makes it a whole lot easier to operate. Hangers for coats, bags, whatever you want, 110 outlet, plus a great space for your vacuum. So if you have that Dyson vacuum, got a hanger there for it if you need it. Shelf space that's deep and long, plus a good spot for shoes if you need it. Just overall, good maximizing use of the space. And across from your entertainment center is going to be your plush top recliners. Now, I've said this numerous times on videos, and I mean it when I say I could sleep in these bad boys because look at the extension, and not to mention I have USB charging as well as heat and massage. So yeah, if I'm at the base of the mountain, opening these windows, let that cross breeze hit me, cut the massage on, fireplace on, and the game on, Uncle Chris is gone for the night. Forget the fact that I got a ceiling fan cooling me off and that chill cube cooling me off too. I think I'll be okay. And while I take a quick nap, you think about this, then I'm gonna show you the kitchen and the dining area next. That was much needed. Okay. Here in the continuation of my living and kitchen area, the opposing slides, like I mentioned in the beginning, open up and give me a beautiful island kitchen. Wood inlay with LED lights, dream dinette, and great prep and cooking area on this bad boy. The off-camp side features not only my Bluetooth entertainment controls that gives me both inside and outside, but I got my 30-inch Furion convection microwave right here, solid surface countertops with my recessed cooker, my 3-burner, as well as my 21-inch oven, and they give me a pot and pan drawer in the bottom, as well as some pretty good pantry space up here. It's one of those kind of residential flow type of things. I really like it. My island kitchen, big old stainless steel pot and pan sink, high-rise faucet with sprayer, got storage underneath where my cutting board covers are. And look at my drawers. So everything inside the 360 MBI is going to be on a drawer guide, and it's going to be solid wood that's finished off. It's going to be glazed, so it's not that kind of particle board looking feel on the inside. Add that to the fact that I got a 16 cubic foot Furion fridge freezer combo. This is also 12 volts, so it will run while going down the road. And when you're ready to enjoy those camp cooked meals, LED underlighting acts also as a night light, but I got a dream dinette, so no legs to knock my legs on. This reduces down into a sleeper, large window, recessed lights, and 30-inch drawers on drawer guides on both sides of my booth dinette. Pretty sweet, right? Oh, you haven't seen sweet yet. Let me show you why the MBI is called the MBI. So imagine bringing your PS5. There's no TV here, by the way. I'm just pretending. Imagine bringing your PS5 or the in-laws, because the 360 MBI is a mid-bunk fifth wheel. Right here doubles as a great office space, sitting and chill space, entertaining space, game room, double bedroom, whatever you want to call it. This pulls out and can sleep 2 adults. I got the large window, the recessed light, plenty of storage inside this mid-bunk room too, thanks to the drawers and the storage doors. And I even have an entertainment center here with my Key TV multi-source connection, which, if you know about Key TV, it's just a smart connector. If you plug into the campground and it's cable or satellite and you don't know which, these receptacles will know. So you're not like chasing cables all over the place. And I have some good old storage spots here and hidden hinges. A calling card of quality construction. If they're going to spend the time and the money to give you hidden hinges like that, they're building you a good coach. And they even gave you decorative barn-style doors to give you a separation of space. So if you're in the kitchen, the kids are in here playing, you're cooking dinner. Not only does this help with the noise reduction on the inside here, so somebody's sleeping, they're not going to be disturbed, but it also acts as a pretty nice aesthetic for the living area if you don't just want this open while people are in there. So Keystone thought about that because it's your home. And speaking of your home, let's go check out the loft, the bedroom, and the bathroom. Okay, when you're walking from the main living area past your loft to the bedroom and bathroom, this is where you're going to see your main entry point, but also your command panels. So right here, your battery, which if you have the lithium, because lithium's on board of this one, the battery heater is located right there. All the lights inside the new Cougars this year are also on dimmers. So if you want to set the mood, you absolutely can. You got tank heaters on this bad boy as well, your water pump, your lights, your slides, and you can check your battery and your fresh tanks. Now on this one, you got 75, 76, and 38. 75 on your fresh, 76 on your grays, and 38 on your black. You also have your Furion Chill Cube commands, your remote control for your AC right there. How nice is it to be able to sit back there in that recliner with a little blanket on you, cut the air on, the fireplace? Why not? It's your RV. Go for it. Do both. Got your ceiling fan controls right there, as well as your max vent fan, and a little storage box down below, as well as some cubby storage or mudroom storage right there. Walking up to the front cap of the 360 MBI, that's where you're going to find your hideaway ladder as well as your loft. Now, this is a 800-pound capacity loft. You do have some entertainment set up right there, so if you want to put a TV in, you can. You also got USB-C and A charging. The metal is going to help if you have, storage that you're using this space for, the kids, the dogs, whatever, so nobody falls out and hurts themselves. But this is a spot where 2 adults could sleep. Even the height in here is a little bit different than last year. You have more room. So if you're turning over or sitting up, you won't really hit your head. Now, the bathroom, it's got some pretty sweet stuff in it as well. Let's check it out. Your bathroom inside the 360 MBI, you got a porcelain bowl with the foot flush, great countertop space, huge medicine cabinet, and glass enclosed shower. Now, thanks to that tankless water heater, you're going to be able to get hot water in your shower in about 10 to 15 seconds. If you haven't checked my buddy Ian's video out on that, you really should. I got the brushed nickel features here on my shower handle, as well as my controls, corner notches, bench seat when I want to just chill and enjoy the skylight, or I need to shave my legs, which I usually do on Tuesdays. But my sink that's in here is undermounted, so I have no seal on top, and if I need to do some cleaning of stuff, I can literally just sweep it in. Tankless water heater, high-rise bowl, linen storage behind a closet door is really nice because it just gives it more of a residential feel. Plus you got a towel hanger, and this medicine cabinet is one of the biggest that I've seen in a hot minute. How many prescriptions can I put in there, El Guapo? I don't know. Now let's check out the primary bedroom. And your primary bedroom in the 360 MBI features its own AC, king-size bed, washer dryer prep, and how about a laundry basket? Now, your king-size bed is in its own slide, and you'll notice you even have these kind of wrought iron shelves up top. That's because they wanted to move the nightstand space from down below where you can knock your head to up top. You even have the inverted outlets on this, because this has the SolarFlex 400 on it, the 440. So you got two 220-watt panels on it. You're also inverter prepped, plus you have your solar charge controller, and lithium batteries are already on board of this one. So you got USB CNA charging, 110. You even got another 110 outlet USB CNA over here. And your king-size bed has strut-supported storage underneath. Add that to the fact that you got yourself a chest of drawers right here, aka the armoire. I got myself a little mirror, my Key TV multi-source connection, as well as 110 TV backer, washer dryer prep, so when I got the dirty laundry I can go ahead and wash it right there. But check out my closet. Not only is it LED diffusion lit on the hanger bar, you even have a little space in here for your laundry basket. It's over there. It's behind the door I got currently closed because Ryan would be in the mirror, and he's currently in the protection program, so we can't have him shown. But trust me, it's there. The 360 MBI is a wonderful, not only well-built coach, full profile fifth wheel. Look at the headroom I have up here, 6'4" in the front cap. But it's great for that versatile space. Family, game night, whatever. If you're a couple and you like to have an office, why not take that Teams call on the road? Love it. Speaking of road, wait till you see how good this thing's going to look going down the road when you see what's on the outside. Now, on the outside of your all-new Keystone Cougar 360 MBI, you're going to find some pretty sweet additions. So this one has anti-lock brakes, got double awnings, plus this one just happens to be the Midnight Edition. Look at it. Woo-wee! Yes, frameless windows on this beauty. Full molded front cap right here with that aggressive profile is going to help with that aerodynamic pulling while towing. And the fact that we have the Road Armor pin box on this one means the chucking and bunking is going to be reduced, and you're going to have a little bit bigger of a turning radius. Now, this year they added gas strut arms to the storage door. Plus, I have a frame welded tie down to help secure whatever you need to secure, the pets, the bikes, the kids, myself. Spare tires located in there as well. You also have your solar charge controller. Right here is your Xantrax pure sine wave inverter and your solar disconnect. The Gigi box, both of these will allow you to cut the power off while still letting it charge. And please, by all means, you're pre-wired for tire link, tire pressure monitoring on this bad boy. Get that. That is one of the best things to have on any RV is tire pressure monitoring. Love the fact that we also have a new style skirting on this one. What they've done is they cut that angle. That just kind of helps with when you're towing. You don't have as much drag there as well. Another feature that you're going to enjoy but you won't see is gone are the Luan panels inside the construction. Now they have what's known as HyperCore. That's a graphite composite. So unlike the Luan, the HyperCore doesn't absorb moisture, it doesn't off gas, plus it's a little bit lighter, but gives you a little bit more insulation when it comes to keeping the coach where you want it temperature-wise. Magnetic anti-slam luggage doors all the way around, heated pass-through storage right here that's also finished off. I got my rocker switches for my awnings, USB CNA, inverted outlet here, as well as some Rotocast storage here with a little access port. This also kind of serves as a cleaning. So if you got the stuff from the beach, it's all dirty in here, you could just spray it out and have it roll down that port. But if you want to set up some outside entertainment, you get your connection right there. And right here is a really good shot of that aluminum superstructure that your 360 MBI is made of. And I like the little diffusion light that they added in there. Got my automatic leveling legs right there, heated and enclosed underbelly, solid step over steps with the safety rail grab handle, which is just a longer rail, giving you safer access into your 30-inch friction hinge door. Double awnings on this beauty too, with the blue LED lights both there and on my speakers. And check out my wheels. Since this is the Midnight Edition, you got the blackout aluminum rims. on those upgraded tires. If I'm not mistaken, those are H series tires. So it's 16 ply. I believe they have a multi-year warranty, but those are on the Dexter Easy Lube axles with that Road Armor suspension, really helping that rocking while going down the road. It's going to be a much smoother pull. And the fact that you have anti-lock brakes on this bad boy really helps the safety. Get that tire pressure monitoring and you are good to go. Come around to the rear. They're right there. You see that beautiful frameless window. Got the backup camera prep, solid ladder for when you get on the roof to do whatever you need to up there. Love the Midnight Edition, just looks so good. Right there is that Furion Chill Cube 18K AC that I talked about on the interior. And on the off-cab side, this is where you're going to find the back of your tankless water heater, the back of your regular heater, and check out what they did with the other side of your pass-through storage. I like the double opening door, giving you better options when it comes to not only accessing your storage, but accessing your one-touch automatic electronic leveling. You got solar prep right here, AC inverter prep if you want to put that third AC in, and your external command center. So outside shower with hot and cold, winterization, black tank flush, and this is a powered fresh tank fill as well. So that's a very nice feature to have. And your main terminations for your 75-gallon fresh tank, 76-gallon gray, and 38-gallon black tank. So 39 feet, 3 inches, 12,385 pounds dry. And one thing I wanted to show you last but not least, you get an outside kitchen. So the fridge comes with it. Put yourself a grill or griddle on here or on the telescoping prep area that comes out because that's solid steel. LP Quick Connect is underneath. The thing that I love about the 360 MBI is the versatility that it has. It can be for the families. It can be for the couple that decided to say, you know what? We're just going to take those meetings on the road. We need an office. The dinette could be an office space. The mid-bunk can be an office space. It's just cool and versatile. And with Keystone, you're getting a quality-made fifth wheel. They're one of the top-selling fifth wheels for the last 20-plus years for a reason. You probably saw it. But leave me some comments down below and let me know, would you bring the PS5 or are you an Xbox person or are you like me and you still play the Nintendo Wii? I want to know from you, where would you take your 360 MBI? Is it right? Or if you're saying, hey, Chris, you got something a little bit different. Yeah, we like the bunk style, but you have something that might be, maybe smaller. Yes, I got a couple of videos I'll link for you can check out. But leave me some thoughts down below on what you think of the 360 MBI. And please click like, subscribe, and notify so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Hope you enjoyed the 360 MBI. I look forward to hearing where you take it in the future. Until then, I'll see you soon.